Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard ice cream. First, gather your key ingredients. About 6 large egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need an ice cream maker. Have a large bowl with ice and water ready for an ice bath. This setup ensures a smooth process from start to finish, creating a delicious, creamy treat. Now let's make the custard base. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and about 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is pale yellow and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard is cooked, it's time to chill it properly. Strain the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into the prepared ice bath. This step is crucial to stop the cooking process and ensure a smooth texture. Stir in your desired flavorings, like 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Cover the custard and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or, ideally, overnight. A thoroughly chilled base is essential for the best churning results. Finally, the exciting part, churning and freezing. Pour your well-chilled custard into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes until the mixture reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned ice cream into an airtight container. Freeze it for an additional 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up completely. Now you have delicious, homemade custard ice cream ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.